Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to the session one for the e-commerce business solution live course package. As already stated, that we will be covering this course package in 30 modules in three major steps, and all the lectures would be live. So, 30 most advanced modules will be covered in six live sessions, where you will learn how you can set up your e-commerce store, how you can set up the Facebook and Instagram ads. And in the third step, you will learn how to ship the product to the customers. So let's get started with the step one, where you will learn how you set up your e-commerce website. So in this session, you will learn about the easy platform to set up your e-commerce website, learn how to set up the initial store, explore all the features of the admin screen of your website, understand the legal pages and other main pages, and how to create legal pages and other main pages, learn how to customize main menu, and you will also learn how to add products to your store. So guys, there are many e-commerce platforms available these days like BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Magento, Wix, Shopify, etc. But we will use Shopify to create e-commerce store because with Shopify you can sell, ship and manage your product easily. It is very easy to use and you do not need to have any designing or the technical skills to work with Shopify. It is also very cheap, means that it has a monthly subscription of $29 per month. It also offers a limited free trial of 14 days, but due to the impact of COVID-19, Shopify is offering an extended 90-day free trial. So let's get started with the Shopify. So let's click on shopify.in. Okay, so here you enter your email ID and then click on start free trial. On clicking that, you will get this screen where you need to enter your email ID and where you need to set the password and you need to enter your store name. Make sure that your store name is unique. If it is not unique, then Shopify let you make to choose unique store name. So once all these fields are filled, then you click on create your store, and on clicking this, you will get the screen where you need to fill the details. Are you selling or are you already selling? What is your current, which industry will you be operating in? Are you setting up a store for a client? So you can choose any option from the drop down menu. So in the first question, you can choose I'm just playing around. In the second question, you can choose 0 INR. I'm just getting started. In the third question, you can choose I haven't decided yet or any industry of your choice. You can also skip this part and then you will have the screen. Here you need to enter your first name, last name, address, and your apartment number, city, your country, state, pin code, your phone number, and you can add your website, and this is an optional, and then you click on enter my store. So when you click on enter my store means that now your sign up process is completed, then you will be redirected to this page. So this is your store admin screen. Now you can customize your store, upload products and set up payment, shipping and another important settings. Now you have a store with the store URL shopping24/7.myshopify.com because we have set our store name as Shopify 24/7. Now this will be your Shopify domain. We now have a store, but it is not live. Let me, okay. So when you enter this URL in incognito, this is showing that this website will be coming soon. It means that the website is not published, it is not launched. So in order to make it live, in order to publish it, we need to enter a password. That we will be discussed later on how we can do that. Okay. Now to work with your store, you need to always log in as an admin. So see the URL of the admin is that this is your Shopify domain and then /admin. So whenever you have to work on your Shopify store, you always need to log in as an admin. Okay, guys, let's move ahead. Now, let us explore the Shopify admin screen one by one. This is a home screen, and this is a home screen. This home shows information about your daily tasks, your store's recent activity, and the next steps you can take to build your business. Now in the order section, this will show the list of all orders that have been placed by the customer. So let's see in the order section, we have the list of all the orders that have been placed by the customers. We have hidden the customer details. So see, here we can get the order numbers, dates on which the order has been placed, the customer name, the order total value, payment. Payment means either they have paid through a prepaid option or the CAD option, whether it has been fulfilled. Fulfilled means either we have, um, uh, 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 we are done with the shipping process. So you see, you can have all the details related to the orders in this section. Okay, in the next section, you can see, abandoned checkouts and drafts. So if we look at the abandoned sections, we will find the details of the users, of the customers who have visited our website, but the people have not made any purchase. So what we generally do, what uh, is the best practice we generally follow is that we call each customer, and understand why they have not bought the product, and we make them convince, and sell our products to them. So once the customer is convinced that yes, he will now purchase the product, then by using the draft section, we create an order. We create an order, and once that order is created, then it will get reflected in the order section. Now coming to the next part, this is all products. This section is used to create or add products in your websites. For adding a product to your website, you should have content and the images ready with you. In the next section is the customers. Here you can, when the customer places an order, you will find all the details in the purchase history here. Now next come to the analytics dashboard. Here you will find total sales, total store sessions, conversion rate, average order value, total orders, top sold product, session by device type and location, etc. for a particular period. So this is an analytics of one of our store where we made this much of sale for a particular period. This number of sessions have happened. How many customers that are returning back to our website, online conversion store, average total value, total orders made for a particular period of time, which is the top landing page, and which device is giving me more conversions, be it desktop, tablet, and mobile, from which country, traffic is coming to your websites. So we can have all those views from this dashboard. And in the next part, we have reports, and in reports, you can get where you can get reports about how many sessions are happening over a certain period of time. So, what is a store conversion? Means how many customers are getting converted over a certain period of time. So, using reports, section, we can have such kind of reports. Next is a live view. Guys, this is very, interesting, because here you will see the real-time view of your store. You can see currently how many visitors are there in your store, how many visitors are added product in the cart, how many visitors are in the checkout stage, and so on. One really enjoy the live view, and we can see the purchases happening in the real time. See, when some customers added product in the cart, it will reflect the numbers. It will reflect in the form of a chart, and then how many customers are there who are in a checking out process, and how many customers are there who have, completed the purchase from their website. So you can get the real time customer behavior. You can view the real time customer behavior of your online store, and here we can see that how many visitors, how many page views are happening over a period of 10 minutes, right? Let's move on. In this section, by using this section, we can create a discount codes that can help boost sales and reward your loyal customers with discount codes. We create coupon codes which customers will enter as a checkout to avail the offer. You can create some seasonal discount code or coupon, and which the user can avail it during the checkout process so that he can avail that particular offer. Okay. Now, in this section, we have apps. You will find apps to manage your store, add features to drive more sales. Since in India, customers usually purchases the product from COD. Therefore, for all Indian Shopify stores, the app Advanced Cash on Delivery for India is pre-installed. So this app is already pre-installed on all the stores that are being developed in India, because in India, most people, buy using COD. They prefer COD over payment options. Let's move ahead. Uh, Now, in the theme section, using this, you can choose theme for your website and customize it. Even you can edit the code. So, Shopify offers, free themes and the paid themes. We can explore the free themes, choose the free theme for our website, and we can customize it according to our product and brand. Okay. So coming to the next section, at pages. So through this section, we can create, pages. We can add or create pages for our website. There are some pages that are very important for our website. Without having those pages, your ads will not get approved in advertising platforms. That we will discuss later. Now, the navigation part. Using this section, we can add menu and organize your product and business information. Generally, every online store has two default menus that appear on every page of your website. See here the footer menu and the main menu. So every online store has these two menus, the footer menu and the main menu. The main menu again has two menu items, home and catalog. This home is the main page, is the home page of your online store, and the catalog shows all the products of your website. So let me summarize it again. In the online, all the online stores, Shopify stores have two main menu, footer menu and the main menu. This main menu will have two menu items, home and the catalog. The home will show the main page or the home page of your online store, and the catalog will show all the products of your website. Okay, now coming next is the domain. Domain is the URL or the website address. Here you can manage domain settings of your online store and set the primary domain. Primary domain is the domain that customers see when they visit your online store. By default, your primary domain is your My Shopify domain. You need to add a custom domain that you will purchase to Shopify and make it primary, which we will discuss later. So in this section, we can connect our uh, domain with the Shopify. Since we have not connected our domain name with the Shopify, this Shopify domain is our primary domain now. Once we connect our domain name with the Shopify, and then we will have a primary domain, the domain which we have purchased. And when the user, that will be the identity of your business. Okay. Now in the preference section, you can edit the title and the meta description of your online store, add tracking codes or enable disable passwords. So title and description tags, these are very important because these tags give your customer an idea of what your website is about. It should include your main keywords relevant to your business. Let me show you an example. So let's see. So I have written a keyword Amazon website India. So on clicking this, I will have the website Amazon.in. So this is the title. This is the title of the Amazon online shopping site in India. Shop online for mobiles and books. And this is the description of the Amazon website. So this is important for a customer to understand what is your site is all about. So title and descriptions are very important, and we should also include our main keywords in title as well as in the description. Okay. In the settings section, you can customize your store management settings using this section. Here you can update store details, manage payment providers, customize checkout process, and so on. So here are many settings options are there which you need to update or customize it. By using this, you can update your store details. Payment here you can enable the payment gateway so that when the user purchases uh, through online payment, and then there is a provision to add a payment gateway using this option. You can customize your checkout process. You can do the shipping. You can also do the customization with the shipping. You will manage how you ship orders to the customers. Okay. So these are the settings section where you need to do the settings of the various important sections. Let's move ahead. Now let's learn how you can add legal pages to the website and what are the legal pages. There is a one common factor among all e-commerce websites, legal and policy pages. You are doing business online and are subject to internet commerce law. So to protect yourself and your company is highly recommended. These pages are also important to build trust with customers. Your ads will not approved in advertising platforms without having these legal pages. The most three common e-commerce legal and the policy pages are delivery and shipping policy, return and cancellation policy, privacy policy. Note, we will share the content separately with you for these pages. However, let us learn how to create. Now we will learn how to add legal pages to the website. I will show you live. Okay. So for that, we will go to online store pages, add page. We have privacy policy. We just go there, write privacy policy, and I have just copy pasting the content from here because I have already written all these policies in a separate document. Just copy it and paste, and here you need to add your store name where I have written your store name. Write your store name and your website. Here your domain name, write the domain name of your website, and then you need to click save. Okay, let us create one more page. Return and cancellation policy. Add page, return and cancellation policy. Just copy the content. I will share this content with you guys. Copy paste and change and write, add your email ID that you want to share with your customers, right? And then click on save. Okay, let's move one more page. Delivery and shipping policy. Add page, write delivery and shipping policy, and copy paste the content and paste here, and change write your store name and email ID, and then click save. Okay, So guys, there are also two more important pages which are called About Us and Contact Us. Now I'm showing how to create a About Us page. Write this and copy the content for About Us. About Us and copy the content from here and click Save. Okay, good. One more page is very important, which is called a contact us page. Contact us. Here you do not need to add any contact, just you need to choose the template which is page.contact and save. So guys, if we look at the page, now we have created 5 pages. About us, contact us, delivery and shipping policy, privacy policy, return and cancellation policy. Now the next part is that now I have created the page. Now I need to place all the important pages and the legal pages in the footer section. Let's see how I can add these important pages in the footer section. So click navigation and then click on footer menu and click on add menu item, right, return and cancellation. So click, you need to link it with the page because return and cancellation is a page and which page return and cancellation. So add. So we have added return and cancellation and privacy policy. यहाँ पे हमने this is a page and which page privacy policy add. Now again one more delivery and shipping policy, choose as a page and which page return as add. Let us add about us also, about us page. This is a page, which page about us add. We can also drag and drop these options. We want, about us at the top and uh, here, and we want the privacy policies after about us. So that way we can, organize our menu items and then click on save. See, you can even view the footer part. This is your website. Layout is ready, but you have not added any images and the products. Look at the footer. Yes. Search about this privacy policy, return and cancellation delivery. When you click it, you have your privacy policy of the store, shopping store 24/7. When you click on delivery and shipping policy, you will have brilliant. So that way you can create your pages and place it in the footer section. Let's move ahead. Okay. Now we need to customize the main menu. We have added the pages in the footer menu. Now we will learn how we can customize the main menu. In the main menu we have home menu item and the catalog. Home is the home page of your website and catalog will automatically show all the products that is available on your website. Let us customize it. Let's click on main menu. Now here we will add the contact us page. Contact us, and the contact us is your page, and click on page. Which page you are talking about? Contact us. Click on contact us and add. Now your contact us page is added on the main menu. Also you can edit the catalog. Catalog, as I told you, that it consists of all the products. You can edit it so that the customer would easily understood that it consists of all the products. You can write it as all products, and it is already linked with all product. Apply changes and then save. Now you can view the main menu of your website: home, all product, and contact us. When we click on contact us, it will show us this form. Here the customer will write his name, email, phone number and message and send. When he clicks on the send button, it the message will be directed to our email ID that we have registered with the Shopify. So guys, let's move forward. Now, next we will learn how you can, add products to your website. Now, to add products to your website, click on products, add product. I will create one ad, which is a product 24. Write the title, write the description. Already, written the description in a document form in the document. I'm just copying, pasting the content, copy paste. So, and we can also, add images in between. See यहाँ से click करेंगे insert image. हमें फाइल को अपलोड करना है. Upload the file. यहाँ से हम इमेज अपलोड कर सकते हैं. आपने क्लिक किया, select and insert image. See, image is inserted. Suppose you also want to add one more image here. Click the in the area where you want to insert image, upload file, and this. Okay, select insert image. See, the image has been added. Now here we need to add media. For that we need to add files. So we can select all the images that we have already, put in one folder. We are just copy pasting. We are just uploading the media from there. In the meantime, let's you do the remaining part. What is the price that you want to keep? So I'm want to keep the price of this product is 999. And what is the compare rate you want to have? Suppose I want to give 50% discount. So I'm putting the compare price as 1999. This you do not need to put, and you uncheck charge tax on this product. It means that the selling price will include all the taxes. You do not, the customer will not need to pay any extra tax. Suppose, please keep the SKU code, which is stock keeping unit, red rose, we can write. And we, since we are not using, Shopify to maintain the inventory, so uncheck this part. Because we as a team can manage the inventory on our own. But suppose you have a huge inventory and you are not able to manage it, then you can use Shopify to manage your inventory. Then there is you to need to check on the track inventory. This is a physical product. No need to add the weight, nothing else. And suppose we can also, add the variants. Means some products have colors available, and some products have size option. So we can, suppose there is a one product hot shepherd belt. Here we, sell it of different sizes, small, medium, large. So we can also specify the sizes. We can also specify the colors. Since this is a red rose and these are not no variation, so there is no need to check variant. Also, we can write some tags. This is a gift item. We can write gift, right? And this is something related to Valentine's Day. So we can also uh, uh, give tags. Tags is like a keyword, and then save it. So once you save it, now you can preview. See, the product has been added in your website. This is the name of your store. This is the home section. It will show the home page. अभी हमने इसमें कुछ add नहीं किया, कोई images or text add नहीं किया. All product में since we have added only one product which is red rose, so it is showing this product, and in a contact us form this will have a form, and in the footer section we have all the important uh, quick links. Okay, let's move ahead. We have discussed about this page, contact us page. We have also learned how to add the legal and other pages in the focus menu. We have also learned how to customize the main menu. We have also learned how to add products to your website. So, guys, in order to start the e-commerce business, we first need to have the domain name, which is a one-time annual investment. And I prefer you to buy the domain name using GoDaddy. The reason being is that when we connect a domain name with a Shopify, it will be done automatically. But if we buy domain name from any other website, then we need to do it manually. There is some copy pasting of some codes and snippet that we have to do. And then we need to have a Shopify store, as I have told you that it is offering a 90-day free trial. So for integrate your website with the payment gateway so that when somebody purchases your product using online payment, so payment gateways are also very important. So in order to in order to get onboarded a payment gateway like PayUmoney and others, you do not need to have initial payment that you need to pay, and then you have a Facebook business account, monthly investment based on the budget, and then finally you should have a logistic partner. You can start with a free plan with them. So guys, there is a task for you to do. Please purchase domain name from GoDaddy, create an account with Shopify using 90 days free trial, create legal and main pages, customize the main menu and add products to your website. And there are things that you need to consider after purchasing the domain name from the GoDaddy. Create Gmail account against the domain name you purchased. Create Shopify account using that Gmail account and set the store name as your domain name. So, guys, thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the session as well as you have understood the concepts that I have covered in the today's class. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.